I wanted to find a way to get you guys into the holiday spirit, and I thought there's no better way to do that than with some local spirits. And I'm here with Danny from One Ocean, and we're gonna do some great drink recipes, right? What are you gonna do for us first?
Absolutely. So this one right here, it's a gin cocktail. It's called 75 Pomegranates.
Cool.
It's a twist on the classic French 75. Cool. So we're utilizing the local Jacksonville gin, Manifest gin. It's a phenomenal gin, straight out of Jacksonville.
Awesome, yeah.
Yeah, like using local products. So go ahead and get started with this one.
Sure, show me how it's made.
So it's gonna be 1 ounce of the Manifest gin.
Okay.
Just gonna go straight into a pint glass or whatever kind of shaking glass you have.
Cool. I'll pour a little more than that. You're going to be very precise.
Yeah. Then the ½ ounce of a 2-to-1 simple syrup. It's
Gotcha.
2 parts sugar, 1 part water.
Next, Danny adds fresh squeezed lemon juice. That's followed by the main ingredient, pomegranate juice. Well, I still think gin is actually the main ingredient. Then it's time to add ice and get shaken. Gonna go real fancy with it.
Absolutely. Festive for the holidays.
Got it.
A little bit of bubbles on top.
And you're using a fancy brute. You can use anything, right?
You can use any brute. This is what we use here. This is Jean-Louis Blanc de Blanc.
Cool. Then garnish with lemon peel. Go straight in the glass.
There we go. We're gonna take a torch.
I love
Your
it.
home lighter
Anytime we
works
can
just
use fire.
fine. Give that a little toast
And
right
that's to
there.
give it the aroma, right?
Absolutely. And that's your 75 pomegranates.
75 pomegranate. Our next cocktail is called Seven Sages.
We're gonna go ahead and take about 5 or so leaves of fresh sage. And we're gonna grab some fresh blueberries as well.
Oh, cool.
Get these around. Then this is gonna be equal parts of lemon juice,
Okay.
lime juice, and simple syrup. Once you got that in there, you grab your muddler.
Don't muddle too hard. And the idea here is just to get the oils to come out of the sage and then break apart the fruit. Right?
That's exactly it. And we're gonna do a full pour, 1½ ounces.
Lastly, Danny goes back to the small side and adds cranberry juice to the drink. You made this up. This is all you drink.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. So we're gonna go ahead, dump that into the ice. Give it a little topper, give it another good shake.
Those blueberries are breaking down even in with the ice. Right?
Blueberries are breaking down, sage is getting broken up, the oils are mixing in there.
Things are happening, baby.
Grab your strainer, strain it over some.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
And top it off with a little bit of club soda.
So add a little fizz to it.
And I like using some fresh raspberries for a garnish because they look pretty. And they're tasty after you let them soak in the booze for a little while. Nice little sprig of that.
Cheers.
That is your 7 sages.
I love it because the sage is there, but not overpowering. That's
Mellow
great.
it out a little bit.
Absolutely. So last but not least, you've got another cocktail for us. What's it called?
So this is called the Cask Cafe.
Show me how it's done.
So we're going to use 2 ounces
I like it already.
of the Manifest rye. Like a little
Have
bit.
I impressed upon you that I like the heavy pour?
You have, you have. And I'm a fan of the heavy pour myself in regards to whiskey. And we're going to do 1 ounce of espresso.
Cool. So cold brew would work even, right?
Cold brew work great, absolutely. Onto the simple syrup, sweeten it up a little bit, balance it
I
out.
get it. Cool.
It's good. Good twist on a white Russian for a whiskey drinker. So then this right here in this fancy little dropper is just vanilla extract. You can buy it at the grocery store. Probably already have it at home if you bake often. Just gonna do a few little drops
Around
of
the
that.
holidays, you know you're gonna have that at the house.
Absolutely.
And if you don't, shame on you.
So, give it a nice little stir.
So this one doesn't. This one is stirred, not shaken.
It is stirred, not shaken. Absolutely. I'm not a fan of shaking the whiskey unless it's
I
really
get it.
necessary.
Hey, this whole thing is all about chilling.
Absolutely. Then right over here, I'm using a big cube if you have regular ice at your house, or if you want to drink it neat, you know, after you stir it and chill it, you're more than welcome to do that as well. We're just going to top it off with a little bit of cream.
Oh, look at that.
Has a nice little presentation to it. You can drink it just like that, or you can give it a stir and, you know, distribute it a little bit, but that is your Cask and Cafe.
Did that.
Boom.
How's
That's it. Tap it, of course.
Dude. By the way, all these recipes are available on my website at iknowjax.com.